In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use the purchase order function in QuickBooks Online. Enabling this feature can streamline your purchasing operations and help keep your order handling efficient and organized. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to ensure you're signed into your QuickBooks Online account. So start by heading over to the QuickBooks website and clicking on Sign In. Remember, you'll need to choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. Once selected, type in your login credentials carefully and click Continue. This will take you into your account dashboard where you can start adjusting your settings. Next, one of the most important places for making adjustments is the Settings menu. Head over to it by looking for a small gear icon, commonly found at the top right part of your QuickBooks dashboard. Clicking on Settings opens a wider range of account customization options. From there, you'll want to select Account and Settings. This is a key area where you can manage the extensive variety of settings related to how your QuickBooks behaves and what features you're making use of. Once inside Account and Settings, navigate to the Expenses tab. This is where you'll find the option to work with purchase orders. Scroll until you locate the section dedicated to purchase orders. This section is not just where you turn the function on, but also where you can configure any related preferences, such as delivery terms, custom fields, or default messages. To activate purchase orders, simply toggle the switch to turn the feature on. It's generally a good idea to review the options that appear here once you've switched it on to make sure it fits your specific workflow and business needs. QuickBooks helps simplify the communication process by allowing you to customize how your purchase orders appear, enhancing your interaction with suppliers. After you've enabled the feature, don't forget to click on Save. It's a crucial final step, otherwise any changes you've made won't get updated in the system. Once saved, the feature becomes active and you'll be able to start using purchase orders right away. By following these steps, you'll seamlessly integrate the purchase order functionality into your QuickBooks Online environment, enhancing your purchasing process efficiency. This quick setup not only helps in keeping track of your purchases, but also allows for a clearer and more organized view of your spending and inventory management. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your business needs.